everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of my parents' lake house traditional cottage living room. I think you guys are going to love my mom and dad's living room in their new lake house. If you've been following along on my channel, you know that we've been working on Mom's Lake House project for a really long time now, a couple of years, and now we're getting to the really fun part where the rooms are being finished and I get to style them and give you a tour. So to break it down really quickly, my parents bought this lake lot a while ago. My husband helped them build their home. They've moved in this spring and now they are working on doing all the finishes themselves. They are doing such an amazing job. I hope that when I'm at retired age like they are, that I have even an ounce of their DIY skill and their energy. So make sure after you've watched this living room tour to catch up on all the other rooms in their home if you haven't seen them already. We finished their master bedroom, their beautiful laundry room, as well as their beautiful kitchen. I'll leave a link to those tours down in the description box below. Now come along with me as I show you my parents' gorgeous coastal themed living room.
The best part about this project is I can show you very, very original before videos. So here is how my parents' living room looked like before when it was just in the framing stage. And here's how it looks now. I think it's a beautiful traditional cottage design, and my parents did all the finishing work themselves, except for the beautiful stone fireplace surround, which they had put in by a very talented mason. I think the overall effect is really beautiful, fresh, and light. They decided to stay neutral with their furniture, and then we added some pops of coastal color in blues and greens with the accessories like the throw pillows and the blankets and the shelf accessories. My parents actually built this sofa from scratch, if you can believe it, and they did a fabulous job. They also built these built-in bookcases on either side of the fireplace, and they built the board and batten top of that fireplace. The floors are just simply laminate flooring. I love the whitewashed look of the flooring, and this ottoman and chairs are from my friends at The Brick. They provided this ottoman and chairs for us. You might have seen those before in my parents' master bedroom, and we just moved them down here to take advantage of the beautiful lake view this summer. My mom made all the pillows herself, and I love the combination of the fabrics, this really fresh blue and green floral mixed in with some geometric and stripes. On the shelves we have some more kind of summery coastal accessories, and I styled this room with a ton of plants. I think adding plants to your decor, whether they're real or faux, is a perfect way to get it feeling fresh and summer ready. I also put some lanterns and a really beautiful mirror on the mantle to kind of give it that coastal look, but still with a modern flair. I really love how this room turned out, and I can't wait to use it tons this summer. I think it's such a beautiful, fresh look.
Thanks so much for taking this tour with me. I hope you loved it just as much as I do. Again, I want to give so much applause to my parents for doing such a good job on all the finishing work. I can't wait to make so many memories in this living room we have already. It's just a perfect space for gathering with family. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of this room was, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.